Okay, let's see there. Alright, Imam is doing his coloring. You can see that's Iron Man, of course, I believe so. And Khadija is drawing something there from that angle. That side I can see. Aurora, she's drawing Princess Aurora. Abdurrahman is not doing anything. Abdurrahman, here's a pencil. Okay, try doing something. There's a little paper there. Just do it. Okay, just draw the car. Khadija, you can move a little to the left. Let me get the paper for Abdurrahman here. Okay, Abdurrahman, here's yours. Alright. Alright. Alright, do your drawing. We're watching. Okay. Alright. Come on, I like that. Abdurrahman is drawing his car. That's beautiful.
It looks like my dress.
Okay, there's a princess there. I can see Princess Aurora. We come back to Abdurrahman's car there. Is that Lightning McQueen?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Iron Man is almost done. I can see some metal coming out. Alright. Okay, the kids are having a fun drawing session here for the Comic Con corner, of course. The Rahman is almost done.